Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jenny from Polly's Paper Studio, and I am obsessed with making the mini flip books. This is the third one I've created now, and I added lots of fun Halloween embellishments from my stash so that this would be a great holiday inspired flip book. So I started with a pumpkin sticker. This is like an epoxy. It's nice and shiny, and it had this sweet little sentiment on it. I've layered it over a chipboard spider web. There is a die cut doily in orange, which is very festive. There's a combination here of handmade and wild orchid craft flowers, and then I've mixed in some flowers from Little Birdie Crafts. There are some stars here that are chipboard in a silvery finish, and then I've got a few blingy bits just to accent the cover. For the spine, I've got a very generous bow, and that has a vintage button on top and some twine, and then hanging from that is some charms. There is a spider web and a bat, and this really cute acrylic moon shaped charm. The back is finished with coordinating papers, and then the whole thing is tied up with this gingham ribbon. This is plaid from a really reasonable ribbon. I will leave links in the description below if you want to check out that product. So once you start to flip inside, you've got two pages that match that have the great argyle pattern here, and then this is a nice tip-in so that you can add extra pictures and journaling. And then this is a second sticker from that same collection that had the first one, and I think that it really accents that nice little frame that I created using a black die cut doily topped with a complementary pattern of paper. Inside now there is a larger area for a bigger picture, and then some coordinating pattern on the inside of the tip-in, and then the outside tip-ins are slid into a diagonal pocket, and they are popped up with foam so that it adds a lot of dimension and fills the book in so that it will keep a nice shape. Candy corn is super cute. I've been hanging on to this paper for a while waiting for the right project, and I'm so glad that I used it for this. Inside is a insert where you can include lots of extra pictures, and then the back is covered as well. So this is a nice, sturdy, substantial insert. For the other side, I've got a nice Halloween cut apart, and that is a tip-in as well. And then the same thing on this side, you're going to have an insert that has all that fun pattern paper. On the spine on the inside, it coordinates with this back page, and then I finished the outside with that plaid again. So this is my trick or treat mini flip book, and I will leave links in the description below so you can check out Really Reasonable Ribbon and Little Birdie Crafts. If you enjoyed this project, leave me a like, leave me a comment, and if you're not already, I would love for you to subscribe. As always, I'm wishing you a happy and productive day, and I thank you so much for watching. Bye!